Dude, did y'all see? Oh man, that light is just out of camera view. Oh man. Dang, I missed most of that. Dang, that was massive. Dude, that was massive. That was close too. That was another nice one. Jeez. Yeah, that one was awesome. Dude. That was massive right there. Man, I wish y'all was seeing them like I'm seeing them. Dang, that was something right there. That looked like two bolts together, but split apart. But I mean, just perfectly together with a little bit of space between it. The storm did it. Dude, man, I wish y'all could see them like I see them. I know the camera is not popping them up the same as I'm seeing them, but they look good. Oh, dude, that was massive. The best way to show you what that particular boat looked like is by making it the thumbnail. Dude, y'all seen that one pretty good, didn't you? This is the best lightning show we've seen on this channel in a while.